Now let us discuss about measurement of another important non-electrical quantity, that is acceleration. So let us see measurement of acceleration. So what is acceleration? The rate of increase of velocity is called as acceleration. The acceleration of a moving body is generally measured by means of a sensor called as accelerometer. So accelerometer is a sensor which is used for the measurement of acceleration. Now basically there are two types of accelerometers which are used for the measurement of acceleration. One is piezoelectric type accelerometer and another one is seismic type accelerometer. So now we are going to discuss about the two types of accelerometers which are used for the measurement of acceleration. One is piezoelectric type and another one is seismic type. So let us first discuss about piezoelectric accelerometer. So piezoelectric accelerometer is the simplest and most commonly used accelerometer for the measurement of acceleration. So let us see the construction and working of piezoelectric accelerometer. So as you can see in the diagram, there is a piezoelectric crystal which is sandwiched between two electrodes. Since we are using a piezoelectric crystal here, that is why it is called as piezoelectric accelerometer. And a mass is kept over this crystal. Now this crystal is connected to the solid base through springs. So here the piezoelectric crystal has an inherent property that when a force or pressure is applied across the surfaces of a piezoelectric crystal, it develops voltage or EMF across its surfaces. Now this property of a piezoelectric crystal is used in order to measure the acceleration. So here when there is acceleration applied to the base, so obviously force is applied to the crystal against the mass. Now when force is applied to the crystal, so it develops an EMF or voltage across its surfaces, which can be measured through the electrodes and connected wires. Now according to Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So here mass is constant and therefore force is directly proportional to acceleration. So therefore as the acceleration applied to the base increases, so obviously force applied to the piezoelectric crystal also increased. And as the force applied to the crystal increases, more voltage will be developed across its surfaces. So therefore the voltage developed across the piezoelectric crystal is directly proportional to the acceleration. So here the applied acceleration can be measured in terms of the output voltage developed across the piezoelectric crystal. So in this way the piezoelectric accelerometer is used to measure the acceleration. Now let us see the second type of accelerometer used for the measurement of acceleration, which is seismic accelerometer. In case of seismic accelerometer, the displacement of a mass resulting from an applied force is measured and that gives the value of acceleration. So that means in this type of accelerometer, the applied acceleration is measured in terms of displacement of a mass. So in this case, as we can see in the diagram, there is a mass which is connected through spring and damper arrangement to the housing frame. And this system this housing frame is connected to the workpiece whose acceleration is to be measured. Now, since as I told here the acceleration is measured in terms of displacement of the mass, so to measure displacement we use one of the displacement transducers here. There are many displacement transducers which we have studied already in the previous chapters. So any of the displacement transducer can be used to measure the displacement of a mass. So now whenever there is an acceleration applied to the workpiece, so it pushes the mass against the housing frame, against the fixed housing frame through the spring. So therefore there will be a displacement of the mass. So that displacement of mass is measured by means of a displacement transducer. So as there is more acceleration, the displacement of the mass will be more. So therefore the displacement of the seismic mass is directly proportional to the acceleration applied to the workpiece. So therefore here the value of displacement which is measured by means of displacement transducer gives the value of applied acceleration. So acceleration is measured in terms of displacement. That is why this seismic accelerometer is also called as displacement accelerometer.